Yeah, hi, Batter. This is Michael. Good to hear from you. Sorry I took so long to answer your question. So let's take a look at your email. So you have, I am exhausted. How should I pass this exam? I want to register in your website, but I need your recommendation of which program is suitable for me. Do you teach us how to overcome the Toefl exam? How can I overcome reading exam since it is 500 words? How should I write a good essay? Please, I need your help. All right, Badar, thanks for making your comment. Okay, I have two different services that I think will benefit you. So let's talk about each of those right now. The first service, this is called my 7-step system to pass the Toefl test. I've also labeled it the Stealth program. It focuses on 7 specific areas to help you pass the Toefl test. So first of all, my lessons focus on vocabulary first, then you have grammar, then pronunciation lessons, then you have reading, you have listening, you have speaking, and you have writing lessons. I have in all 24 lessons to help you improve your overall academic proficiency so you can score higher on the Toefl test. So I definitely can help you. So what do? First of all, you go to Better Toefl Scores. Let me get my camera set right here. You go to Better Toefl Scores to the homepage, www.bettertoeflscores.com. On that page, you want to go where it says buy all my lessons for $24.99, right? So then you go to the payment page, make the payment. Now, in terms of your speaking and your writing, I can help you. And how I help students is simple. As students go through my speaking and writing lessons, they begin making speaking responses and writing responses on those password protected pages. Then I, using the Toefl iBT rubrics to score your Toefl speaking practice responses and your Toefl writing practice responses, I will give you some scores. I'll give you some feedback on what you can do to improve your speaking and writing. You make some adjustments, you take another practice test, and you get better. So based on getting or watching my videos and getting my instruction, and then making some speaking and writing responses on my password protected pages, you can begin improving your Toefl iBT score also. Now remember that first of all, I recommend that you go through the vocabulary lessons first. The vocabulary lessons will help build you to a college level vocabulary base. You have to have vocabulary first. That's very, very important. So go through the different steps, step 1 all the way to step 7, begin doing the lessons, make your speaking and writing responses on those password protected pages, and I can help you. Now that's my first service. This is called the 7-step system to pass the Toefl test. Now another service that I've developed is a direct result from my Toefl speaking lessons. It's for students who have pronunciation problems, and this might be you. Now if you have excuse me, if you have pronunciation problems, I do recommend that you also subscribe to my Speak Clearly subscription service to non-native speakers of American English. Again, if you go to www.bettertoeflscores.com, there you'll see 7 resources. You want to click on the link that says Speak Clearly subscription service. This service is $19.99 per month, and it consists of 3 different pronunciation practice tests, and it has 47 lessons to help improve your speaking and pronunciation in all areas of American English. This includes all vowel sounds, practice with all vowel sounds, practice with all consonant sounds. It also includes practice with syllable division, grammatical word endings, word stress, sentence rhythm, thought groups, and blending. I will help you in all those areas so that you can speak faster and you can speak more clearly. Most students, they use the service anywhere from 1 month to 3 months, possibly 4 months, until they can improve their pronunciation enough so they can score high on the TOEFL. So between those two services, I can definitely help you better improve your TOEFL iBT score. Alrighty? And again, thank you for making your comment at Better TOEFL Scores, and I look forward to having you a student with my TOEFL online lessons.